Hello, Namaste. Welcome to all of you in today's session of Chapter 3, Class 8, SST Day 2, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In which, in my previous session, we discussed about the definition of forest, in which we discussed that what is the criteria, what are the features for having the region which is going to be considered as forest region. Now, in my today's session, we are here to discuss forest in the tropical region. It means what? We have to know the types of forest found in the particular tropical region, and on the basis of that, the forest in the tropical region is going to be considered as two types: tropical evergreen forest, first one, and the second one is none other than tropical deciduous forest. दो प्रकार के फॉरेस्ट का वर्गीकरण ट्रॉपिकल रीजन के फॉरेस्ट के लिए किया गया. एक को ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट कहा जाता है एंड द सेकंड वन इज नोन एज ट्रॉपिकल deciduous फॉरेस्ट कहा जाता है. नाउ after the hearing of pronunciation of these two collection of word, definitely you want to understand that what do we mean by tropical evergreen forest as well as what do we mean by tropical deciduous forest. So actually you have to keep a few important key factor for tropical evergreen forest, that it founds in equatorial region. विषुवत-रेखीय प्रदेश में यह पाया जाता है. Because equatorial region is hot and wet throughout the year. I discussed earlier that the region nearby 0 degree latitude is having too much high temperature, hot weather. It causes excessive rainfall. So the forest found in this region is going to be considered as tropical evergreen forest. Mahogany, ebony, rosewood are the major types of trees found in this tropical evergreen forest. Usually we can rememberize that Zaire basin of Africa, Amazon basin of South America, and some parts of Mexico, Central America, Southeast Asia, the forest present in these regions is going to be considered as tropical evergreen forest. Now we will move toward tropical deciduous forest. Usually it founds in the monsoon region, where winters are cool and dry and summers are hot with a distinct rainy season. मानसून प्रदेश तो आप लोग जानते होंगे. सॉल, टीक, सैंडलवुड, बांस, बैम्बू, commercially these are profitable trees found in the tropical deciduous forest. These type of forests are usually found in the region of India, southern China, parts of Southeast Asia, Central America, Eastern Brazil and Northern Australia. Now we have to discuss about the forest in the temperate zone. Forest in the temperate zone. So temperate evergreen forest. First one, and the second one is none other than Mediterranean forest. Temperate evergreen forest, it means the region in which the variety of trees and hardwoods are present is known as temperate evergreen forest. The low-lying regions have a mixed variety of coniferous and deciduous trees, while the highlands have only coniferous tree. Usually pine, mulberry, wattle, oak, eucalyptus found in particular such kind of forest which is known as temperate evergreen forest. And the region in which such kind of forests are present is Southeast America, Uruguay, Southern China, Eastern Australia, Brazil, etc. The coasts, समुद्री किनारा, which with cool climate and moderate rainfall favors the growth of temperate deciduous forest. They have rich growth during the summer season. The poplar, oak, beech, these are the special species of trees which found in temperate deciduous forest. Usually in Central Europe, Southern Korea, Northern China, Eastern America is the region in which temperate deciduous forest found. Now we are here to discuss about Mediterranean forest. Usually जो भूमध्य सागर है, जो मेडिटेरियन सी है, उसके आसपास इस प्रकार के वनों की उपस्थिति पाई जाती है. The trees present in this region is having the broad leaves, wildly spaced. They are not thick and tall, बहुत ज्यादा लंबे और मोटे नहीं होते हैं. Oak, olive, stone pine, etc. are the important species found in particular Mediterranean forest region. And just kind of that, again for the taiga region, coniferous forest is a type of forest usually which found in taiga region. The trees are evergreen, have needle shaped leaves which minimize water through all over during transpiration. पत्ते जो होते हैं कोणीय होते हैं, नुकीले होते हैं, क्योंकि चौड़े पत्ते पर पानी का निष्कासन ज्यादा होगा, जिसके कारण नुकीले पत्ते टू प्रिवेंट द ट्रीज फ्रॉम ट्रांसपीरेशन प्रोसेस और रिलीजिंग ऑफ वाटर, उस तरह का पौधा होता है, वृक्ष होते हैं. यहाँ यूजुअली द ट्रीज फाउंड इन द कॉनिफेरस रीजन इज यूजुअली वेरी टॉल, देयर इज हार्डी एंड अंडरग्रोथ. द टाइगा बेल्ट, एक चीज याद रखना, जो टाइगा बेल्ट मैंने बताया तुमको कि जो कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट होता है वो सामान्यतः टाइगा प्रदेश में होता है. तो जो टाइगा प्रदेश होता है सामान्यतः, जो मैंने आपको ग्लोब की रचना की थी, तो उसमें आपको समझ लेना है कि जो 50 डिग्री नॉर्थ से 70 डिग्री नॉर्थ का जो रीजन है, यह उसमें जो वन पाए जाते हैं उसी को कॉर्निफेरस फॉरेस्ट कहा जाता है. यूजुअली इफ यू विल जस्ट पुट इट on the map of the world, then you will see that the Siberia Pradesh in Asia over Russia and Alaska, northern eastern part of Canada, North America are the regions which comes under taiga region, and coniferous forests are present in such kind of region. In my next session we will start discussing about the grassland. Grassland बड़ा important चीज है जिसको जानना चाहिए, टर्म है, टॉपिक है. क्यों? यही तो विश्व का सबसे बड़ा चारागाह है, जो धरती पर रहने वाले क्रिएचर्स, जीव जंतुओं के भरण पोषण के लिए निहायत ही आवश्यक होता है. थैंक यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे.